Did you know that newborns cry for up to 3 hours a day? And there's actually a scientific reason why. But here's what most parents don't know. There are specific warning signs that mean you need to call your pediatrician immediately. As a pediatrician with over 30 years of experience, I've helped thousands of worried parents understand their newborns' crying patterns. Today, you'll learn the 5 main reasons babies cry, how to soothe them effectively, and most importantly, the red flags that require immediate medical attention. First, let's talk about what's completely normal. Newborns typically cry 1 to 3 hours per day, with peak crying usually occurring between 6 to 8 weeks of age. This is called the period of purple crying, and yes, that's a real medical term. Your baby's nervous system is still developing, and crying is literally their only way to communicate every need, from hunger to overstimulation. Now, let's decode those cries. There are 5 primary reasons your newborn cries. Number 1, hunger. This is the most common cause. Look for rooting behavior and lip smacking. Number 2, tiredness. Overtired babies actually cry more, not less. Watch for yawning and fussiness. Number 3, discomfort. This could be a wet diaper, gas, or being too hot or cold. Number 4, overstimulation. Too much noise, light, or activity can overwhelm their developing nervous system. Number 5, colic. Intense crying for more than 3 hours a day, more than 3 days a week in an otherwise healthy baby. Here are my top evidence-based soothing techniques that actually work. The 5 S's method: swaddling, side or stomach position while awake, shushing sounds, swinging or gentle motion, and sucking on a pacifier or clean finger. Now here's the crucial part. When crying becomes concerning, call your pediatrician immediately if your baby has a high-pitched, shrill cry that sounds different from their normal cry. Crying is accompanied by fever, especially in babies under 3 months. Your baby is inconsolable for more than 2 hours straight. They're not eating, having fewer wet diapers, or seem lethargic. You notice any changes in breathing patterns or skin color? Remember, crying is normal and temporary. Trust your instincts. You know your baby best. When in doubt, never hesitate to contact your pediatrician. You're not overreacting. You're being a caring, attentive parent. If this video helped you understand your baby's cries better, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more evidence-based pediatric advice. What questions do you have about newborn crying? Drop them in the comments below and I'll answer them in upcoming videos. Until next time, keep loving and learning with your little one.